Hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's Liqueur series, Matt's having us drink something from Van Meer's called Stroopwafel.
Yay.
I think. Maybe.
Something like that. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Matt, what the heck do you have for us today?
Stroopwafel from Van Meer's. It's a beautiful Dutch liqueur. It's imitation liqueur at that.
Ooh,
Generally found at Total Wine. Yay!
not even the real
All right,
thing.
It's a waffle. It's a whopping 14.7%.
Can you explain imitation liqueur?
I cannot. I don't. I can. Imitation means they take a bunch of flavors and they make it taste like it. Is what imitation liqueur means, rather than actually taking things that are making a liqueur. Yeah, it's just like here's some. It's $10. Okay, it's super cheap. It's not like that's why it's dirt cheap liqueurs to taste like things, rather than taking real products like natural flavors and colors and putting them together to make it. So it's like
it's a
cheap
filler.
ass crap. It's filler, exactly.
Filler.
But supposedly, the whole story goes, it's a Stroopwafel, which is a very nice, it's like a soft cookie thing. I don't know. They're from Holland. I like them. I think it tastes good, but whatever. It's from the town of Gouda, where they make the cheese, which I know is completely irrelevant, but that's where it comes from. So anyway, there was this bakery in the 1850s called Van Meer's, and Emiel, which was the father of the brand there, he made this Stroopwafel. Now they make a liqueur named after him. Yay! They also make tiramisu and brownie and chocolate and vanilla, but we'll get to those another day. Anyway, so now this is sold in the Netherlands by a company called Toorank International, which makes about 300 different brands. They've been around for 40 years. They make a bunch of, mostly a bunch of bullshit. But anyway, so they said this is really good mixed with ice cream, cream, custard, yogurt. Contains caramel color imitation flavor. Well, no shit. Ooh, and I think you're frozen. Oh, no, you came back. You're sitting there.
No.
You're just sitting there going, oh my God, that sounds horrible.
He
Look at
smelled
Will's
it.
face is like, oh God, no.
It's liquefied Nutella peanut butter.
Oh, jeez.
I can smell it from here, okay? So it's like a foot from my face and I can smell it, okay? This is just like crazy strong sweet.
Yeah.
It smells like
Okay,
a
so
waffle.
I don't know if it's just subjective because waffle is in the name, but it smells like cooked waffle.
It's
like a Belgian
exactly what it
waffle
smells
with
like.
syrup.
Belgian waffle. No, just
Yep.
the waffle.
Yeah, the caramel, the waffle, and it's super sweet. And it's
vanilla.
exactly what a Stroopwafel smells like. It's like a waffle with caramel in it. It's just what
See,
it is.
And to me, like, this thing is covered in syrup. Like what I smell is the syrup first.
I just get the batter.
and
I
then
could do
that-
like butter
I could maybe
pecan
see
syrup.
the pancake in there, but like,
It's not a pancake, it's a waffle. It's completely different.
okay, I could smell the waffle in there, but to me, this smells more like the syrup on top of it than it does that waffle sitting underneath it.
It doesn't have maple to me. Where you
No,
think
not maple. It's caramel.
See, I'm getting.
I get
peanut
butter pecan.
I get peanut butter
I get hazelnut.
and hazelnut. Yeah, I get like a
Okay.
Nutella.
Okay, I can see Nutella. Yeah, for sure.
I wouldn't go as deep for me as Nutella with the chocolateiness.
Man, we're gonna get a Nutella liqueur out of this at some point.
Goody.
Let's just blend up some Nutella and
Can
add
I
some vodka to it.
put
There
some
you go.
seltzer water in it? Do I have to taste it like this first?
You have to
You
taste
do
it.
whatever you want.
He says I can do whatever I want.
Don't tell me how to live my life.
Oh my gosh, so sweet.
But though, it's actually kind of thin though. It's
Mhm.
super sweet. Stroopwafel caramel waffle, but it's super thin though.
It's very thin, and you would think it would be like this syrupy, thick liquid, but it's not. And it
Until the finish. The finish coats your
yeah.
tongue.
it tastes just like it smells. It tastes like you're eating a waffle. And waffle cone.
Oh yeah, waffle cone. For
Waffle
sure.
cone.
This would be great over ice cream, like
Yeah,
and that's what they recommend anyway. So
waffle cone.
Yeah.
I don't want to.
Without it being as sweet, the seltzer water helps.
okay, well that's good.
See, I don't mind it.
I like
I
it. I think it tastes good. I wouldn't want to drink a lot of it. I think I'd be super sick. But
Yeah,
I mean,
I
I think
agree with
as a topping, it's great.
Or an additive to a drink.
Yeah,
Yeah, great for
Sweeten it up
cocktails.
a little bit.
cocktails.
Yeah.
People with
This
the
with
sweet
cream,
tooth.
probably awesome.
I would definitely say over some vanilla ice cream.
Mhm.
Yeah. I mean, it tastes like a waffle cone.
Mhm.
Put some ice cream in there and you
Totally.
got yourself a dessert. Good
It's
to
good.
go.
If you like Stroopwafels, you like super sweet waffle cones, this is perfect for you.
Yeah.
If not, well, then you're probably going to hate this.
All right.
I like it though. It's good. This is a drink out of the bottle type to me because it's $10. So
There you go. Yep. There's not a whole lot more that we can say about this.
Nope.
Nope. All right. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell and come hang out with us live on Monday night. And until next time,
Keep on crusading for better liquids in your glass.
cheers.
Cheers.